this is yours, but your account on my TV. What's it?
Let's see if it is for yours. Come collect.
If it is for yours, come collect.
Yeah.
What about you? Say.
I mean, if it's yours, come collect.
Now, Obaka, what you say?
Would you have a G?
What do you have a G? Hey, now why your musician? One day more pressure, say you.
Oh, any pressure. Any pressure. Semikaye say entertainment industry. Oh, into we try we and now try we. We try we can cry now try we. Niabe Fabia ejinim.
Wait, what drop in you when your pressure say release more? Do you see yourself as?
Oh, no. From the fans, they were like, oh, do more, do what I'm missing. Another one by a Sadio Makobrick, Sikanashi.
Now comment if you conform by the fella, you have really matured and congratulations. You go, girl. We are proud of you. Oh, fella, you are very interesting and very intelligent. Lady B says, oh, your philanthropist are buano. Okay, from Obaya, Esidwa, Powaski. The young girls here don't pay attention to what she's saying and learn hard. Finally, a day of food na ma obia or yeah socialite on social media.
Yeah.
Na ope celebrity and in a deity. They said they won't so nyanko pardon when you're celebrity aware me. Bebre target celebrity so be worry more popular. And then I will catch on.
Oh, I wouldn't say you should necessarily focus on a celebrity. Say celebrities some way nipa. They are also humans. But if we talk yeah, they should really work so hard. And irrespective of whatever you have, which is your body, your physics, or whatever, aside that, I say we focus on bibina unye and social media. No, I think no, a very, very, very platform. Yeah, obetimia ye usika woho. A platform. I don't think people should joke with it because me say no, me inko juma. This is where I make a lot of my money from.
Social media,
yeah. Me nyani first thing I check up on my husband, na me family phone, me call me email, na me call me social media. Cause na me didi ko say usu dress na over juma me so na me social media. Enti man I tone it down on being hard on celebrities because yes, nipa.
Oh.
I
was incredible. Tone it down. Tone down on celebrities. I'm way hard on them. I want to see you nipa. You nipa to someone. Why? They were moody. I don't know for you at them.
Oh, media and family.
Oh, sir.
Oh, me and family cry. And yes, mommy and family. Me say, me one, my family. 2, money. Me amitina he me pesika rough. I love money. It's na me ma tattoo sika wa me. Nti me ho eno a ejinja me se me adwuma. Nti wa wuti wo phone so a wo didi matem no. Me ye me dwuma cause wo ma me numbers. Sisi am 3.1. Nko for di dwuma bre me. And this oba waste 2 times so be didi obi atema. Ene cause na ye na me so me nya me sika. So far as it's not going to bring me money, I'll never get involved. That's why I don't get involved in dramas because they're very useless, mommy. Said it's a cabin body.
Dana Yambo and some fella Makafui Wakasa. Auntie fella, sister fella, mommy fella, island mommy. Oh, nice. And he says, yeah, wedding, everybody should say, I want born one idea.
When him say, I never born one. Me never one, dear friend, born one.
So I
Uncle person mean fan back account.
There be, sir, as a wedding, the band son of wow, but say, oh,
no, say, I didn't say, Obronimu, so it's just one wedding now. Some we say traditional anyway. I mean, the most important one is this. We wanted to do the white wedding, and you can't. No, COVID no buy.
Oh, you say no.
COVID no buy. No.
Is that you say
no? Corona buy.
Only 9 months.
Even
no, 6 months. A couple one, I say, "Move casa where they are going dada."
No, no. What? No.
Oh yeah, Lydia. On the Victoria, Lebede. Oh yeah, 1 year anniversary. Now.
No, what important thing?
9 months minus 12 months.
You two love each other and you understand each other.
You see, I wear the name also.
Muhu kra. Nah, we go Paris into well, but me buy a bride.
We go Paris. So see how cool we are,
yeah, he's an American.
Oh, good. Anyway, how is your dog?
El Chapo. Oh, fee. What's I need the brand ambassadors? Oh, also
was signing ambassadorial deal.
Yes, with a company and we dog food in Sanya.
But we'll send them go for any business.
And our 2 pending ambassadorial deals.
Oba Island 6 months ago.
Yeah, Island. The day the island buy out, no when you deal, I pending this year.
Do you have a team or only Ukuru and Amoko Pesa deals?
No. Obiani ni team. Onu so one team.
When they manage you, fella Makafui manager ya
Richmond, mpacho wa haya.
Yeah, me who Richmond.
Mpacho ai.
And na Ukuru so manager ya
Flo Delhi.
All right. I'm sure I didn't see future lawyer fella Makafui.
Right.
Yeah, that's be. Yeah, that's pa. Eti okwa bichia El Chapo Mokramano. Na mi san suchia Mobile Island.
Me pacho metimi aka Adibakun.
Pacho manoko.
Pacho Meg Catchall say this week hopefully I'm coming up with my own show, the Fella Show.
The Fella Show.
Patron.
I want hifa.
Oh yeah, shitty into every premiere war me YouTube any CJTV.
The Fella Show.
Yeah.
Then lifestyle, fashion.
Oh, BBAB. I want to surprise people into follow any CJ multimedia na who surprise you because mad thing now.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.